Hi workers! Your task is to create 5 Facebook profile pages and transfer to my Facebook ID. I will tell you everything, step by step, how you can complete this task. But before starting, I will tell you an important information. You are only eligible for this task if you create profile pages, not classic pages. If you don't know the difference between profile pages or classic pages, so I will tell you that. In profile pages, you can switch your Facebook ID to page. You can see here. But in classic page, you can't switch between them. It's simple pages. If your page is created in classic way, then your work will be rejected and won't be approved. You can only perform this task in computer or laptop. So, let's begin. I will provide you all the link and task descriptions. Go to this first Facebook link and log into your Facebook account by typing your account details. Then go to this second link. You can see interface like this. It's called Profile Page Interface. But if you see interface like this, then you are not eligible for this task. You can try another old Facebook ID to create profile pages. Okay, let's move on to the next step. Enter any page name like Carlover1. Then add any category. And then leave third option blank and click on Create Page button. Now here you can click on Next button, then again click Next, then click Skip, then Next, and click Done. You have successfully created first profile page. Then go to the third link. Here you can see people with Facebook access. Simple click on Add New button, then click Next. Here you can add me by searching my name. That will provided by me. Name is Osama Ibn Maksud. Simple search name here. You can see my profile. Simple click on that. And scroll down, click on Allow this person to have full control button and enable it. And then click on Give Access button. And here type your Facebook password to confirm. Done, your work is complete. Now close all tabs. And then go to the first link. Click on top corner and click on See All Profile. Then click on your original ID to switch them. Then go to step 2 and complete all 5 pages. Final step, how to submit your task, work proof. Go to my ID provided by me in description. Here you can see my Facebook profile. Simple follow me, add friend, and then message me with your page's name. For example, if you created 5 pages with the name of Carlover 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Simple type message, I have created 5 pages with the name of Carlover 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and send me message. I will check your work. You message me and accept your page invitation. That's your work is done.